Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2022 Yamaha RMAX 2-seater Limited. We've just installed the USA full glass windshield on the front, along with the soft side enclosure from Yamaha. And you guys haven't seen this before, we also did it with the Yamaha glass back window. This is the sliding back window from Yamaha that's part of the full cab kit enclosure. The hard cab kit enclosure, that is. But you guys know you cannot get those full enclosure doors right now. We've improvised. We've got the soft enclosure on here and made it work with that USA windshield and the rear slider. It actually worked out pretty good. There are a couple of pieces that you're not going to install. There's some plastic wraparounds right here that will not go on. I would hang on to those if you ever do decide to put on the full enclosure doors. Seals up nice and tight. It looks really good on there too. And you do have the ability to open that slider, get you some airflow inside the cab. The cool part about this with this USA windshield, you're going to be able to kick that open, lock it open into any position, get you some airflow through the cab and exiting out the back, even with those side windows up. Let us know if you have any questions, 435-427-3338. You can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We'll be sure and monitor your questions and get those answered. If you'd like to get any of this product on its way, give us a holler. Have a great day, everybody.